Dr. Lee Sommers is a distinguished teacher, scientist, and administrator who served Colorado agriculture for more than 3 decades. He grew up on a dairy farm in Clinton, Wisconsin. Following high school, he pursued a degree from Wisconsin State University and followed with a master's and PhD in soil science from the University of Wisconsin-Madison. The first 15 years of his academic career took place at Purdue University, where he was an active instructor and scientist. In 1985, he joined Colorado State University as professor and department head in the Department of Soil and Crop Sciences. He was appointed as the director of the Agricultural Experiment Station, where he served until his retirement in 2013.
Lee grew up in agriculture, right? He studied agriculture. He taught agriculture. He made his career in the academy around agriculture. Colorado agriculture is better because of Lee.
He just lives and breathes agriculture. I picture Dr. Sommers out working in the field, and you know, as farmers do, sometimes we cut ourselves, something like that. Dr. Sommers is the kind of guy that if he cut himself, he'd rub dirt on it and then probably take the sample of that dirt and test it to see if that may be a benefit to agriculture.
Yeah, Lee has just been able to be such a relentless advocate for agriculture. Nationally, certainly within the state of Colorado. There was never an interaction that I had with Lee in any of us in our various roles where I didn't come away from that interaction feeling like I learned more than I gave to it.
I look to Lee Sommers as a role model. I think he's the prototype of what an experiment station director should be.
He developed new agricultural research and understandings. He managed agricultural experiment station.
Through a lot of Lee's leadership, CSU developed the first Russian wheat aphid-resistant wheat in the United States. And we pretty much took care of the problem. I mean, wheat wouldn't be where it is today without Lee Sommers.
You know, he's done so much to educate the youth as well as adults about agriculture and how we can do things better. And that legacy will live on forever.
I think it's really important that an individual find out what their passion is and pursue a path that fits that. Also, it's important to feel that what you've done has meaning and is contributing to a bigger cause.
It was because of his innovation, his vision, and his ability to not do what was just traditional. It was a great privilege in my life to be able to spend 30 years working together with him.
Without Dr. Sommers, my farm would not be where it is today.
I know my life's better for having known Lee, and I know our university's better because of it.
During his tenure at Colorado State University, Dr. Sommers served as head of the Department of Soil and Crop Sciences, interim dean for the College of Agriculture, as well as associate dean for research. His supervisory and oversight of wheat breeding and genetics have made CSU one of the nation's leading universities in developing new strains of wheat that are drought and disease tolerant. Dr. Sommers continues to contribute to the future of agriculture by serving on the board of directors of the Colorado Agricultural Leadership Program and by serving as special assistant to the CSU Dean of Agricultural Sciences. For these contributions and many more, it is a privilege to induct Dr. Lee Sommers into the Farm Credit Colorado Agriculture Hall of Fame class of 2018.